Hi, I'm Janae from Mahalo.com, and I'm going to teach you how to make an old-fashioned. For an old-fashioned, you need bourbon, maraschino cherries, orange slices, bitters, regular sugar cubes, or you can use simple syrup. So we're going to start out with our glass, and we're going to take our orange slice wedge and a cherry or two. I like to use 2 cherries just to give it a little bit more cherry flavor. We're going to go ahead and then also grab a sugar cube. So you'll see you have your orange, your cherries, and your sugar cube all in the glass. You're going to mash all of that up.
Ball torture, CBT, is a sexual activity involving torture of the male genitals. This may involve directly painful activities such as wax play, genital spanking, squeezing, ball
basically
busting,
anything
genital
with
flogging,
spoon and
urethral play,
or whatever it is that you want to use to mash it up. Once everything's mashed up, go ahead and put like 2, maybe.
D, come on, son. Come on, son. D.
Then we're going to get an ice cup. So then we'll fill it all the way up with ice. And then you're going to put 3 ounces of bourbon in. So this is a pretty strong drink. And not that many people order it anymore, actually. It's kind of, like I said, it's an old-fashioned. It's something that was kind of from prior generations. But it actually is really good, and it's similar to like a Manhattan. But, you know, the orange in it makes it even better, I think. So, of course, you want to make sure all those flavors get mixed up. So you're going to go ahead and kind of... Ooh.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer? Every night, I can feel my leg and my arm, even my fingers. The body I've lost.
And make messes all over the place until you get it all mixed up. And you have